Hey guys, today we're going to change the front wheel bearing on this 2006 Pontiac Montana SV6. If this video is helpful, can you hit that thumbs up button? Really helps me out a lot. First thing we're going to do, jack up your vehicle, take your wheel off. Next thing we're going to do is take off the caliper assembly, this whole thing here, brake pads, caliper, bracket, everything. So that's that bolt right there and this bolt right there. Just break those off. Or break those loose, take them out, slide this whole assembly out, maybe set it down here, set it off to the side. Be careful, don't rip the hose here or anything. Maybe get a stand here for it to set on. Next thing we're gonna do, take off the rotor. Set that off to the side. Next thing you need to do here is take off this nut. All right, now if your vehicle has an ABS sensor, you need to unplug it. The reason I'm replacing this one is because it does not have an ABS sensor, and so the traction control is on. So unplug your sensor, and then we're gonna undo these 3 bolts right here, and right down there. You can see the heads of them on the back here. One right there, one's up in here, and the other one is right there. Take those out, and then you can remove your bearing. Alright, so we've got those bolts out. You can see we're kind of pulling the bearing out here a little bit. You'll need to tap on the CV axle here to push it back in. I'm going to have Amazon links to where you can get these bearings new. They'll be in the description below. There will also be some stuff down there that you might want in here, anti-seize or this big socket for this nut here. Just some random stuff. Feel free to check out those links below. Alright, when you put this bearing back in, make sure you've got your sensor the same way that it came out. So make sure that it's up here in this corner here so that it can be plugged back onto here and you don't end up ripping the sensor off or the wiring off from the sensor or anything like that. Just at this point, put everything back together the way you took it apart. Maybe put a little anti-seize on stuff so it's easy for the next time, if there is a next time. And that's about it. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. And have a good one, guys.